Guys, if you're like me that wants to improve the consistency and improve the wins and profitability of all the trades that I'm doing, then you should watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so the TAC platform, guys, offers an intuitive and user-friendly experience, which begins with its website. And as you can see, their website is really well made. There's a lot of information that you could go ahead and check out. And of course, they have an active and vibrant Telegram account that you could go ahead and join. So this is their link to their Telegram. It will be in the description of the video. And with the users sharing insights and support, it fosters trust and camaraderie of, being successful with your trade. And guys, the professionalism and reliability of the platform are evident in its design and responsiveness. And later on, I'll show you a glimpse of how it looks like. So purchasing TSC for crypto trading is seamless, and it is aided by straightforward process and immediate functionality. So its features such as the Vision AI for copying image signals, making trading effortlessly, and a demonstration showcase the TSC's ease of setup and automation, which directly integrates with trading accounts. So let me go ahead and show you that right now. All right, so let me go ahead and give you an idea, guys, on how this one works. All right, so first, you just need to go to the Copier, okay? Now, once you are in the Copier already, just go ahead and click on copy, okay? And then get that channel ID from the channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy that. All right, so let's open the EA and then put the channel ID there, the one that we copied. And then we can set those TP risks from this window, okay? Now, once we click on OK, after that, we could send the signal to the channel, okay? So it's already connected to the MetaTrader. Now, you could go ahead and send the signal to the channel and you'll see the details of the trades are all set. Okay, so you see that in there. So you have the volume, the price, the SL, the TP, and the price, the profit, and all of the things that you need to know about this one. So it will put all the details in the MetaTrader. All right, so for this one, guys, let me also show you how it transfers from the channel, okay, going to the MetaTrader. So you have the image right there. Okay, so you have the entry, the stop loss, you have the take profit 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you just click on send. Once it is there, okay, so we have those details in the channel already for the signals. So watch. The MetaTrader absorbs that and gets all the details automatically. So that is super efficient and very, very helpful. Well, and what I like most about this is that you have tailored plans to suit your needs. So you can choose between monthly or lifetime plans with varying features. And it includes advanced tools for selective symbol execution, trailing stops, and more. So the all-in-one solutions are offering unmatched flexibilities and precision that makes Telegram Signal Copier the ultimate tool for traders like us that are seeking to automate, optimize, and improve the profitability of our trade. So you can go ahead and check them out. You have a ton of information that you could see in their website. All right, so these are the features that they have. I would strongly suggest that you do your own research, but again, this is something that I feel would really suit, especially the ones that, even if you are that type of trader that that just sometimes does the trading, sometimes not, or if you're that type of trader that has trading for a living, then this is actually perfect product that you guys can explore and see, All right, so if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking the like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.